Going to be doing a video on how to erase the powered by Shopify on your Shopify store at the bottom of the footer. Uh, I've had some questions about this, and there is videos on YouTube, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly how to do that. So you're going to want to go to online store, and then you're going to go to actions, and then you're going to go to edit code. And then you're going to want to go to just search footer dot liquid, which it's right here, so I don't have to search it all up. And then you're going to want to scroll down, and I think it's usually about in the 200s, but you could keep an eye out for it. It might be different, it might vary within your theme. So just depending on what kind of theme you got. I know we're close. You're just going to want to search for powered by Shopify. I'm kind of having a hard time finding it, but I think I got it right here. And I believe you just delete this right here. So you're going to want to, oh, went too far. So you're going to want to just take a look at that. I'm going to show you guys exactly where it's at right here. And then you're just going to delete that. Then you're going to want to hit save. So that was on 322. And I believe that's where it was. Maybe it's right here also. Or, let's see. That should have done it. Let's go check the site. And there it is, guys. It's gone. So that is how you will delete the Shopify, powered by Shopify, on your website. So, and it may, like I said, guys, it might vary between your theme. Just look for powered by Shopify. There was some other ones on there. So let's see. Just gonna go back and check it out. It did work. So I deleted the right one. It must have been the first one, because there is more here. And you can just go back and check if you did the right one. Just be careful and don't delete more of this code here. It could cause some issues with your site. But it would probably be okay to just delete these two. But since I got rid of it on that home page, then I think we're good. So yeah, guys, that's how you delete the powered by Shopify. And I'll see you guys on the next video.